Today, I want to teach you about Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. I want to give all information about the VD Savarkar in this video. So let's start here. First, I want to tell VD Savarkar when was he born. VD Savarkar was born on 28 May 1883 in Maharashtra. His mother's name was Radhabai and father's name was Damodar Pant Savarkar. He had two children, one daughter named Prabhat. Daughter name was Prabhat and one son. Son named was Viswas. His early education in Maharashtra. It means he primary and schooling from Maharashtra and he complete his BA degree from Fergusson College, Maharashtra. Fergusson College, Maharashtra, Pune. Fergusson College, Pune. Now I want to talk about his revolutionary organization. He formed a revolutionary organization in 1899. Name was Mitra Mela. Mitra Mela. In this organization, they performed revolutionary activities and discussion about patriotic. When this organization formed, he was only 16-year old. Savarkar was only 16 years old. After some time, 5 years after, in 1904, they changed, named this organization into Abhinav Bharat Society. Abhinav Bharat Society, New India. 1904. In this organization also they do secret revolutionaries activities and perform the revolutionary activities here. Abhinav Bharat branches in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka. This organization purpose independent India activity against British. In this organization, they trained members in self-defense, swimming, climbing, etc. Activities in abroad, London by V.D. Savarkar. I want to tell before something special about V.D. Savarkar. V.D. Savarkar got a scholarship, received a scholarship in 1906 from Shyamji Krishna Verma. Shyamji Krishna Verma. After recommended Tilak. Here, this is very important. Who recommended for the scholarship? Tilak, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Why he went to London? V.D. Savarkar went to London. Then V.D. Savarkar wanted to study law for to become a barrister. Become a barrister. In London, at India House. India House. It is also important. In London, at India House, Shyamji organized a golden jubilee. Shyamji organized an golden jubilee of 1857 revolt in 1907, and here they called revolt of 1857 first war of Indian independence. This is too important, very important. Who called first war of independent, war of independent. Then yeah, independence. Who called? V.D. Savarkar. Some major incident about the V.D. Savarkar and trials for these incident. First, two important assassination. First, assassination of Curzon Wiley in 1909. Who is the Curzon Wiley? Curzon Wiley, a British official in Britain. Executed by Madanlal Dhingra. Curzon Wiley executed by the Madanlal Dhingra. Savarkar accused for providing pistol and planning to Madanlal Dhingra. Pistol and planning to Madanlal Dhingra for executed Curzon Wiley. After that, again assassination of Magistrate Jackson. It is also important. Who was the Jackson? Jackson was Nasik magistrate who sentenced Savarkar's elder brother Ganesh for lifetime imprisonment. Jackson was executed by the Anant Karkare. Savarkar implicated in this case, Nasik conspiracy case. Escape attempt. When Savarkar arrested in 1910 in London, after that brought to India in SS Moria ship near Marseille Island. Marseille Island. Marseille Island. Savarkar jumped into ocean and swam across English Channel toward French coast. Here at French coast, Savarkar again recaptured by French police and handed back to Britain. Imprisonment and excel. How to excel out? Savarkar. Imprisonment. In two cases, first and second, Savarkar dual life imprisonment, get dual lifetime imprisonment, punished by the British. First revolutionary who received two life sentence. First revolutionary to receive two life sentence from British, and first political leaders his case raised in Hague International Court. Hague International Court. After some time, Savarkar sent to Kalapani cellular jail at Andaman in 1911 to 1921. Here, extremely torture and beating and hard labor and forced to extract oil from coconut and mustard using oil press kolu kolu. He shared confinement with brother Ganesh Savarkar. How he released and which conditions. In 1921, in 1921, Savarkar was very poor health. Then efforts by the Tilak and Patel for release. Then the British shifted to mainland jail Ratnagiri, Yerwada. After some time, Savarkar released from jail 1924 under Nazarband house arrest with conditions no political activities performed by Savarkar and must stay at Ratnagiri in Ratnagiri district. After release from uh, jail, he performed some social reforms. Here, Savarkar dedicated his life to social work and writing from 1924 to 1937. He also built Patit Pawan Mandir. Patit. 1 minute. Something here. Problem in my pen. Patit. Patit Pawan Mandir at Bombay in 1931. 1931. This temple to open all caste. Here, priest appointed Dalit. Savarkar opposed caste-based discrimination and untouchability. Savarkar opposed caste-based discrimination and untouchability. In 1937, Savarkar elected All India President of Hindu Mahasabha. Hindu Mahasabha. Hindu Mahasabha. He served 6 term, but 7 year. 6 term, but 7 year. Important. Listen this. 6 term, but 7 year. It is important. sometime asked about the ideology of Savarkar. Savarkar ideology triple H. Triple H. हिंदू, हिंदी और हिंदुस्तान, हिंदू, हिंदी और हिंदुस्तान. Now look for the literary work by Savarkar and his legacy. Books. Which books written by the Savarkar? So Savarkar's important book, the first Indian War of Independence, 1857. Very very important books. Very very important book. The first Indian War of Independence, 1857, written by the Savarkar, published secretly from Holland in 1908. Published under pseudonym Scout Paper and Pickwick Paper. Second book, first book, second, Hindutva. Third, Hindu Pad Padsahi, Hindu Pad Padsahi. Fourth, Mera Ajivan Karavas. This is autography, written by Savarkar. National symbol. Savarkar designed the first tricolor flag for India in 1907. Flag raised by the Madam. This flag raised by Madam Bikaji Kama in Germany. Important. Final year and death in 1966. At the last, his involvement in Gandhi assassination in 1948 not confirmed, but his name accused. He accused one of 9%. Acquitted by the judge due to lack of proof. इनको रिलीज कर दिया गया था lack of proof के कारण. Dead in Bombay 1966 at age of 83. How to die Savarkar? By the performed Sallekhna. In this Sallekhna, renounced food and water. Port Blair Airport named V.D. Savarkar, Veer Savarkar International Airport in 2002 by the Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Statue unveiled in Parliament 2002 by Atal Bihari Vajpayee and 2023 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Here this topic is complete. No left behind some about this V.D. Savarkar. So thank you for watching. Next topic I post soon, tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow. So wait for next topic. Please subscribe, share with his friend. I do improvement in this. So if you support, then I try to better. Thank you.